on to it. It's gonna pull you around the river. Okay? Here it goes. Pull. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Get up there at the boat.
Pull him on back. Pull him back. It's a big one. Woo!
There. Pick him up there and
Hold it. Go grab on down the rope and pick him up.
Here we go. Am I gonna need to hold it at the mouth or anything?
Reach down there and wrap your hand around the rope like you got up there and pick him up, will you? Wrap your hand around it so you can pick him up good.
Like 5 wrap rule or something?
Nah, just one wrap.
It's hard to figure out. Huh?
Just pick it up.
There you go. Hold him up there.
What is it?
You got him.
Yep.
You did good. I thought he was gonna pull.